Hi all of you, I'm Laszlo from Campervanspecialist from Romania. We are here in the SkyUp roof company from Roma, Italy. We would like to present a very special pop-up roof which we have implicated in our Megamobile cars, and we believe this is a very special, very good, made in very good technology, this pop-up roof. I will pass the words to a technical guy from the company, Mr. Michael.
Hello, I'm Michael from SkyUp, and I will show you our product, our pop-up roof. Our pop-up roof is very special. We are the only one using this kind of lifting system, which makes the pop-up roof really strong. The pop-up roof is made with GFK, so it's also a good material. And something really special from our pop-up roof is we have the tent, which we can change, because we have a zip here and a zip up. And if you take off this tent, you can put in another one. So that means we have the standard version on this car there, and we have, as we saw before, the panoramic version. And something very important, if people go in the winter, we have also a winter tent. So our pop-up roof is also special because we made it in GFK, and the color is made with gel coat. So this is also a good thing. If you scratch it, you can polish it always. The inside of the top between the tent is insulated with really a size like this. So it's also really good for winter time also. Then it's good for the wind, because it will really not happen that it closes alone by wind, because if wind is too strong from the back, it will move like this and go up always. It will really not close from alone. Then an important thing of our pop-up roof is that the weight is less. On the Ducato we have 100 kilos, on the Mercedes 105 kilo. And really important is that our pop-up roof works only on the Ducato, Boxer, Citroën and the new Movano from the high H2 and the length L2, L3, L4. And the same is for the Sprinter. It works on H2 Sprinter from the 6 meter on. So now I will show you what is included in a pop-up roof. We start with the ladder, that's included. Then we have the mattress. Under the mattress there is the Frolly system. Then we have this safety net for child. We have these two lights, they are touch. And we have on this side a USB socket. Here you see how we fix it inside the pop-up roof. There is this one and another one point on the other side. And this is another second security for the pop-up roof. So now we open it. And then I can open the pop-up roof. So, and here you can see our winter tent, which is really good for isolation, because this one is something like a 10 centimeter normal wall. It's really thick. So on our pop-up roof you can put on also a big skylight, the 50 by 70 or 40 by 40, and for us it's important we can also glue a flexible solar panel on. So thank you for watching me. Thank you that I could present our product to you, and I hope maybe you have one on your van in the future. Bye bye.